It's nearly 2 a.m. when Officer Bowen spots a Toyota drifting across lanes on Route 1. What starts as a standard traffic stop quickly spirals as the driver struggles with her location, her story, and eventually the laws of physics. Let's see if she can talk her way out of this one.
Hello, how are you? I'm Officer Bowen, Plainsboro Police. License, registration, insurance, please. Just to let you know, my body camera is on, okay? And the reason I'm stopping you, you're failing to maintain your lane. You're all over the place.
Sorry, I'm not trying to.
Where are you coming from?
New Jersey, North Bergen.
Okay. Where were you out anywhere good in North Bergen? North Bergen?
Yeah, like, you know, like 74th Street?
No, where's that?
It's like by, like, you know Hudson County Park, like the big lake?
No, I'm from like South Jersey.
Oh, okay, well, I wouldn't expect to know it, but
Okay.
it's like the big, like, lake, you know?
Okay. All right. How much have you had to drink tonight?
Not a lot. I had like a beer.
Okay. How many beers?
Like one.
Okay. When was that?
Like 3 hours ago.
3 hours ago. Okay. How big was that beer, or what kind?
It
was like an
one of
IPA
those,
or?
No, it was like a Corona.
Corona. Okay. All right. Do you have the registration and insurance?
Yeah, of course.
It's
all
on
in
as
here.
well.
I remember my mom put it in here. It's like
Hey, fun. Were you out anywhere good at 74th Street? Is that like a restaurant, or is that just the name of the street?
No, it's just the name of the street.
Okay, where were you? Were you there anywhere good there?
What do you mean?
Like, were you out to eat? Did you hang out with friends? Like, where were you coming from up there?
Oh yeah, no, I was just out with friends, but
Okay.
like, I have everything on my phone.
Okay, that's fine. You can show me it on your phone.
Yeah. This is my Geico.
Okay, that expired February of this year. Do you have an up-to-date one? That said February
Probably in
12th.
here somewhere.
Okay.
So, I'm sorry, like my parents like put everything in my phone.
Okay, who's
But
the?
I'm not gonna lie, like the registration, like this thing.
So that's different from the registration.
Yeah,
that's inspection. Yeah.
Inspection. Like,
Okay.
it's all, you know.
Okay.
But
And where were you headed? Where were you headed to?
I just like going to my boyfriend.
Where's
I
your-
always visit him everywhere.
Where's your boyfriend live?
Right here, like in what is that called? He lives kind of by like the outskirts of like Atlantic City, like that area.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know where you are right now?
Yeah.
Okay, where are you right now?
I always go by this area.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know where you are right now, though?
Yeah.
Area-wise? Where do you think you are right now?
This is South Jersey.
No, this is not. This is Middlesex County.
Yeah, but like South Central Jersey.
You're from Atlantic City. You're probably like an hour and a half.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. All right. All right. So what I'm gonna have you do? You can stop looking for that, because I can smell the odor of alcohol coming from you. I'm gonna have you get out. I'm gonna run you through a few tests to make sure you're okay to drive. Okay?
Yeah, of course.
All right. That's all right.
Yeah.
All right. Perfect. You can step out on that side, Olivia. You can leave your phone. All right, we're gonna come right back here. All right? Can you turn those off? Yeah. You're good. Just right here, right on this line. It's perfect. Just do me a favor. Put your feet together, hands at your side. Okay? So the first test I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna check your eyes. Okay? So you see the tip of my finger right here? Just follow the tip of my finger, and my finger only, with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you wear glasses or contacts?
Yeah, contacts.
Do you have them in right now?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. But you don't have any issues that would prevent you from doing this test?
No.
Okay, very good. Just follow the tip of my finger, okay? my finger.
Following your finger.
What's that?
I'm following your finger.
Okay. Well, you keep staring straight at me though.
Sorry.
So you're not following it because you keep looking. You
Sorry,
keep
I'm
staring straight.
sorry.
Okay. With your eyes though. Only your eyes. All right. The next test we're gonna do is called the walk and turn. Okay.
Yeah.
So for the walk and turn, for the first thing we're gonna do, well, you see this line right here? We're gonna use this line. Put your left foot on the line.
Yep.
Left foot. You put your right foot in front of it, just like this. Heel to toe, hands down your side. Hands down your side. And you're nope. Don't start. Left foot on the line.
Okay.
Okay. So your left foot, perfect. With your right foot, right in front of your left, heel to toe, hands at your side.
What do you mean?
Exactly like this.
Okay.
Right. Exactly like that. Hands down at your side.
Wait, I don't get it.
What's not to get? Left foot on the line, like you have. Yep. And then put your right foot directly in front of it, touching heel to toe with your hands at your side. Do not start the test until I tell you to begin so, okay? All right, you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so from that position, you're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps down, turn around, and you do 9 heel to toe steps coming back. I'm gonna demonstrate, and then you'll perform it, okay? So from that position, you do 1, nope, get back in the starting position.
Sorry.
Do not start until I tell you to do so, okay? So from that position, you're gonna take 9 steps. I'm gonna do 3.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Again, I did 3 for demonstration purposes. You're gonna do 9. On your 9th step, with your lead foot, you're gonna do a series of small steps and turn around, and you're gonna come back again with 9 steps. 1, 2, 3. Again, I did 3, you're gonna do 9. During the test, hands at your side, count out loud, watch your feet, and once you start the test, do not stop the test. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, you may begin when you're ready.
All right. So 1, 2, 3, and then I start the test. All right, ready? Are you gonna let me know when to start?
Yep, whenever you're ready.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. And then I go again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3. When do I turn around?
All right, you're good. We can move on to the next one. Just walk back down here real quick. Go back over here.
1.
No, you're good. You're good. We're gonna stop the test.
Okay.
Go back over here real quick. We're gonna do the last one, okay?
That's fine.
All right.
I'm sorry. I just.
That's okay. You're fine. Put your feet together. Hands down your side. We're gonna do it. There's nothing that prohibits you from doing like a one-legged balance stance or anything. Okay, right?
Yeah.
All right. So, when I tell you to do so, you're gonna pick a leg of your choosing. It could be left leg or right leg. Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna pick it up approximately 6 inches from the ground.
Okay. Do it.
Like so. Just put your feet back together and put your hands back at your side. Do not start until I tell you to begin.
Okay.
Okay? When I tell you to do so, again, left or right, whichever leg of your choosing, you're going to pick it up approximately 6 inches from... Can I please finish instructing you? Okay. Thank you.
I'm so sorry.
6 inches from the ground, like so.
Yeah.
And you're going to look down at your toe. You're going to count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on. Until I tell you to stop, okay? So again, while you're doing the test, look down at whatever foot is raised, hands at your side, keep your legs straight, and count out loud. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. All right, you can begin.
2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2008.
Keep going, yep.
Wait, did she just count 2009? This isn't a history quiz. The one-leg stand tests divided attention, not just balance. Failing to follow simple counting instructions while visibly swaying gives the officers more than enough probable cause to make the arrest right now.
How much alcohol did you drink tonight?
I just had a beer.
A beer?
Yeah.
What kind?
You know, like the IPAs, like the, I think it's called like a, I don't even know what it's called. We just had him, we were having at the bar, and like whatever. She was like, just come to my house, just like, don't see him tonight. She's like, don't tell him. And I was like, okay.
How long? Where'd you drink that beer?
Like In Elizabeth. Yeah.
All right.
Because that's where she works.
Here,
But...
I'm gonna walk you to the trunk of your car, and then we'll talk with Officer Bowen really quick. I just want you getting hit by a car.
Thank you.
Over here, over here. Just leave it trunk of your car. We'll be right with you. All right. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check your eyes, the same test that he did with you.
No, that's fine.
All right.
No,
so,
you guys are welcome to do any test you want on me.
all right. So, same thing. You see my finger, right?
Yeah.
Move it from side to side.
Yeah.
Keep your head totally still
course.
facing me. Or you move your eyeballs, okay?
Got it. Sorry, I'm just cold.
I know, it's a little chilly out here.
So sorry.
Same thing this time, I'm gonna go up.
Okay, yeah, of course. Guys, I just want to practice every night. I also can't remember that, so it's like, it's just,
All right, Olivia, do me a favor,
for
right?
me, it was a
What's that?
long weekend.
All right, just do me a favor. Turn around and face that way.
Yeah.
All right, just put your hands behind your back. All right, you're placed under arrest for DWI, okay? What's that?
Oh my gosh.
Do you need anything out of the car? Because the car could be towed.
Oh my gosh, wait. What do you mean I'm being placed?
You're being placed under arrest for DWI, okay? Do you need anything out of the vehicle?
I need my phone. I need to call my mom.
Okay, we'll call your mom in a little bit.
Is there
I'm not drunk.
is there a house key or anything in there?
No.
There's no house keys attached
Okay,
to
stop,
your
stop.
car key?
Yep.
Is there,
Call my mom. Guys, you don't understand.
Do you have anything on you in your pockets or anything?
I don't.
No?
I need to call my mom.
Okay, we'll call her in a little bit.
You'll have that chance after.
All right, well,
Sorry. Is this gonna pull my record?
So, in the state of New Jersey, a DWI is a traffic ticket, essentially like a speeding ticket with no series, obviously. So in other states like Pennsylvania, it's a criminal offense. So that's the one thing in the state of New Jersey that it's not. So it's not a good thing, but it's not the end of the world.
Yeah.
send the hook.
Hold on, 100.
Yeah.
I understand. I get it. That's doing it.
All right, we're gonna take a seat right here, okay?
Yeah.
Well, so what do you need out of the car?
Just my phone.
Okay, just your phone?
Yeah, just don't.
What about your purse? I saw a purse on the
Yeah,
floorboard.
that's fine.
You need a purse?
Yeah.
Okay, is there anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay, all right, just sit tight, all right?
Okay. How much is it gonna be?
What's that?
How much is it gonna be?
I'm sorry, what was that?
How much is it gonna be?
I don't charge you anything.
No, I mean to get out of all this.
No bail for this.
Huh?
There's no bail for this. We're gonna go back.
No, I don't want anyone to know about this.
Listen, Olivia,
Yeah,
we're gonna go back. We're gonna do some paperwork and another test.
yeah.
And then once that's complete, you can make a phone call to your mom, dad, somebody that you want that has to come pick you up.
Okay, thank you.
And then you're good to go. You don't have to tell anybody. I'm not telling anybody.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm not calling anybody, okay?
I'm sorry. I really it's just been the worst 2 weeks.
What's that?
It's just been such a bad 2 weeks. Do you have my phone?
Yeah, I have your phone and purse. Okay?
Okay. It's been so hard.
Olivia later blew a 0.170%, over double the legal limit, explaining why she thought she was an hour away in South Jersey, a costly mistake that luckily ended in a cell, not a crash. If you found this breakdown intense, hit that like button and subscribe for more Bodycam action.